Hey, I'm Paul with Custom Dynamics, and today we're going to be installing our new ProBeam Solid Amber 1157 LED inserts on this 2015 Fat Boy. Utilizing advanced LED technology, the ProBeam LED turn signals maximize performance with unique reflector technology and the most superior automotive-grade LEDs available. They produce an even brighter light output and a wider viewing angle. The 24 Amber ProBeam LEDs showcase dual-function, low-intensity running lights with high-intensity bright turn signals for maximum visibility. ProBeam turn signals include amber lenses, and they're DOT and SAE compliant. And most importantly, they're backed by the Custom Dynamics lifetime LED warranty. You can purchase ProBeam smoke lenses to use with the ProBeam Amber LED turn signals. The Amber LEDs will continue to provide amber illumination through the provided amber lens or through a smoked lens. They're plug and play on Harley-Davidson US models with 1157 dual contact bases and bullet style lenses. A smart signal stabilizer or load equalizer is required when front or rear turn signals are converted to LEDs on 2013 and earlier Harley-Davidson Sportster, 2011 and earlier Dyna, 2010 and earlier Softail, 2013 and earlier Touring and Trikes, and on all V-Rod models. To get started, locate the groove in the stock turn signal lens, then gently pry it off. Remove the stock incandescent bulbs. CVOs with stock LEDs install differently, so refer to our other video with JAE turn signals. Going around the perimeter, push the stock black gasket in with a small screwdriver to allow for a better fit. Position the new ProBeam Amber LED turn signals into the socket and turn the base in with a flat screwdriver to get it to seat. Twist the wires of the cluster to prevent them from getting pinched. Remove the protective film from the new lens and position them so the groove is located at the bottom of the housing. Then press them into place. Perform a BCM resync by running the 4-way flashers for 3 to 5 minutes. Check for proper operation, then you're ready to ride. Our ProBeam Amber LED turn signals are a simple upgrade to your bike that will make a big difference for any rider. You can check out the entire ProBeam family of products at CustomDynamics.com or by visiting your local Drag Specialties dealer.